Half a day. I'm Jonay Delgado, the registered dietitian for FHP Health Center and the TakeCare Wellness Center.
And half a day, my name is Gianna Santos, and I am the health educator and nutrition counselor for the TakeCare Wellness Center.
March is National Nutritional Month, so today we'll be showing you how to make quick, nutrient-dense snacks that you can make at home.
Today we'll be making a quick Powerball as a simple snack. In a large bowl, we're going to combine our oats with almond butter and the remaining ingredients. If needed, microwave or heat up the almond butter or nut butter of choice before mixing it in with the oats. Roll out the ingredients to form the batter into small balls, or use an ice cream scooper to form into balls. Spray cooking oil on parchment paper or on the baking sheet, then place the balls on the baking sheet and bake for 8 to 10 minutes until you see a golden brown color. Another option can be to use a food processor to finely chop or shred the coconuts to be added after baking to give it more texture. You can also melt unsweetened cocoa powder and some mini dark chocolate chips to make a mixture to dip on one side of the balls for added sweetness.
These Powerballs are filled with a lot of fiber from the oats and the chia seeds. The oats are 100% whole grain, and they can help you keep fuller throughout the day and prevent you from overeating before meals, as well as the chia seeds. Really great fiber. A tip is to add extra water into your daily life just so you can get the increased benefits that come from the chia seeds and the oats. These snacks also have healthy fats coming from the almond butter that contain omega-3s for better heart health. These snacks are filled with a great amount of protein and a little sweetness to get you through the day.
Stop by the TakeCare Wellness Center if you're interested in participating in any of our programs or interested in our consultations. Our information is listed below. We are excited to help you lead a balanced lifestyle.
Thank you for watching this video from TakeCare and FHP Health Center. For more videos like this one to help you live a more balanced lifestyle, please subscribe and like our social media pages. And don't forget to turn on the notifications. For more information about TakeCare and FHP Health Center, please go to takecareasia.com.